a cost of 30% of the land in lieu of the deduction.
Yes.
And at page 29
Yes.
is a receipt for betterment charges paid at the relevant time.
Yes.
Pursuant to that, betterment charges, etc. Manoj, in fact, non-agricultural use permission was also granted. This is relevant because I'm raising a contention that the policy of the government for deduction has changed on the basis of the non-agricultural use permission.
Yes.
So NA use permission was granted on 3rd January 2008.
Yes.
Thereafter, it appears, though it is not very clear, that these schemes were thereafter merged or a new scheme has come up. We are unable to say with any certainty. But now, according to our information, there was a single town planning scheme instead of a large number of town planning scheme, which came to be known as the 20 town planning scheme number 204. In 204, Manoj, the proposal was for deduction of 40% land or betterment charges, etc., was not to be considered. We raised objections. We have annexed one such objection, which is though not of the subject land. It is by the petitioner, but in 2009, this petitioner, in respect of the other land adjacent his ownership, had raised an objection that once betterment charges are levied, please don't provide for deduction. That didn't happen on 28/9/2012. This Manoj, your Lordship may see, because page 17. The state government sanctioned the draft scheme. Today, Manoj, we are at the stage where the town planning officer is otherwise supposed to consider our objection. So I have to will come to that hurdle, that this the stage part. But just Manoj, for continuity, kindly have page 17.
Yes.
And kindly see page 19. The 17 says that, kindly just see the now therefore in the middle. Now therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred under 48(2), the government of Gujarat hereby sanctions the draft scheme subject to the modifications enumerated in the schedule appended here. So much 30%, which was prescribed as deduction, was upheld subject to modifications in the schedule.
Yes.
And the schedule is immediately thereafter. I am relying upon page 19 of running page 19, which is the third page of the schedule, and alphabet V just after U must with 5V. In case if the appropriate authority has earlier, with respect to deduction, as an option recovered any amount as betterment and has not made deduction, then such cases should be considered at par with NA land, and the final plot shall be allotted after deduction of the area by 20%. So this comes against me, which otherwise covers my case, that there was a betterment charge, no actual deduction. So 20%, which would otherwise amount to 50% for our land, because 30% betterment charges based on the value of the land at thrice the jantri has already been paid. So that is one contention, 50%. I'm at this stage not troubling with that contention. Please see W and X thereafter.
Yes.
With respect to the deduction, if any discrepancy is observed, then in such case the policy adopted by the appropriate authority while making the draft scheme shall be maintained. Now must this, for the representations received, which are enclosed herewith, and for any other representation made by any owner for his land with respect to allotment of a final plot or deduction in the original land, consider the representation on merits and take decision which shall be in sync with the policies of the appropriate authority making the draft scheme. So Manoj, V and X are a little in the sense, Manoj, will have to be read harmoniously. V says betterment charges, deduction 20%.
Yes.
But X says that representation regarding deduction, take a decision. For the representation which are enclosed for so and so, or deduction in the original land, consider the representation on merits. So those who have already objected, whose objections have gone, etc., we are reading X to mean that a deduction and a decision on a case-to-case basis is possible. That is my respectful submission. Then was after that, the town planning officer was appointed. He issues the notice at page 39. At page 39, that notice is issued.
Yes.
In respect of the subject lot, and Manoj, detailed representations are made at pages 41. I'll just take a minute on page 41. Page 41, this is 724 by 7 by 2 in the first line of the representation.
Yes.
And it goes on to say what I indicated to your lordships, that we paragraph 2 on page, sorry, it should be paragraph 4, page 42, the middle paragraph 2.
Yes.
The same thing which I indicated, that we have paid the betterment charges of so and so amount. Therefore, no deduction, etc. Then was over the page, etc. At page 43. So, Manoj, that representations are at various pages from 41, 44, 48. I'm not troubling a lot. It goes up till 58. Representations of varying nature, essentially saying the same thing, that this deduction would amount to a higher deduction. You can decide, etc. Betterment charges are paid and all that. Thereafter, Manoj, it appears that there was some issue with the town planning officer. He was suspended. New town planning officer has been appointed, after which, Manoj, we have no information.
Yes.
Now, Manoj, the newspaper reports indicate, and I have averred that on oath, that on June 2021,
Yes.
the state government has decided that within 50 days, it will be sanctioned. The scheme will be sanctioned. So, Manoj, I have come to this honorable court with the request that our objections, stage considerations, hearing, none of this procedure has been complied with.
Yes.
We are not issued any notice. Now, after the honorable Supreme Court judgment in the Khedut case, Ahmedabad Green Belt Association, 26-4 is contemplating even a hearing. So, no notice by the town planning officer to us on our objections, no hearing which is given to us, and we apprehend that it will be straight away forwarded to the state government for sanction. And our rights would thereafter not be lost forever because of the finality attached to 67.
Mr. Joshi, please come to page 47.
Sorry.
The redistribution form.
Sorry, Manoj, I'm sorry. So sorry, Manoj, I'm little.
Page 47.
Yes.
The redistribution form.
Yes, Manoj, I have.
Yes. The total area of your plot was 1916.
1916.
FP was given 724.
1533.
Some deduction has been effected, 155.
1533. Yes.
And I think some requirements.
That the larger copy is also there, Manoj.
6.
I have annexed. Your lordships will find that at page, if your more legible is 35. Either way, Manoj, either way. More legible is 35, but if your lordships want, it's a bit more legible. The item at the second item in the column from the top, second item, Ramesh Ochawlal is the petitioner. Page 35. Sorry, Manoj, the paging has gone in, I think, but page 35. Second from the top.
Yes.
Ramesh Ochawlal, Ranjan Ben, 724 7/2, મૂળ ખંડ 1916, મૂળ કિંમત આટલી, અંતિમ ખંડ 724 અને 1533. So, Manoj, our case is deduction.
So deduction has already been effected.
This is, Manoj, that form which is, yes, this is, Manoj, the form F, the redistribution at the stage of the draft scheme.
So this 724 by 7/2 was totally admeasuring 1916.
That's right. Yes.
And final plot which has been allotted is 1533.
That's right.
So there is a deduction of almost 400 and 400 square
That's right.
meters.
And we are saying that 30% betterment you have already taken in
Betterment
respect
charges plus this deduction.
plus this deduction, which comes to 50%.
50%.
Therefore, we are represented to the town planning officer that you still have a power under law, certainly, to consider, and also our interpretation of the 2012 sanction of the scheme, which says that W, which says that in case of deduction, if representations are made, take a decision on merits in accordance with the prevailing policy. So one is, of course, that is, should I come back to W again?
Yes.
That W which I just read.
Draft notification by this.
Yeah, they're right. Where it sanctions, yes. Draft scheme is sanctioned. 17 at 19, that W X, sorry, man. X, sorry, man, not W. And according to the policy, so Manoj, this was on the basis of hearing not being given, and just to indicate to the honorable court that the policy of the authorities today different.
Yes.
Is, Manoj, that in similar schemes, your lordships will find at 59 sanction of a similar situation under the same law, 59 draft scheme, which is done in 2016.
Yes.
59, just kindly you will find the date 16 February 2016.
Yes.
And the court may kindly go after 5 pages, now the page 61, which is the same, Manoj, the
Yes.
schedule mentioned in the annex, page 59, the last line, Lordship may not turn back. While finalizing the scheme, the TPO shall consider issues mentioned in the annexure. That annexure is 61.
Yes.
And please see the first item. મુસદ્દારૂપ નગર રચના યોજનાનો ઇરાદો જાહેર થયા પહેલા જે મૂળ ખંડોમાં બિન ખેતી થયેલી લેઆઉટ મંજૂર થયેલા હોય અને તેના સબપ્લોટ વેચાણ થયેલા હોય તેવા સબપ્લોટોની કપાત કરવી નહીં. So we are saying on analogy that એને થયેલી હોય, બિન ખેતી લેઆઉટ મંજૂર થયેલી હોય તો કપાત ના કરવી is under the scheme of 2016.
Yes.
So we requested that you please consider what we have said. But Manoj, there is no response at all, and we apprehend that it
As
might.
of now, there is otherwise no cause of action except the fact that
Apprehension.
apprehension.
It's apprehension, and Manoj, the no stage left.
Yes.
That after this, Manoj, can I just indicate what Manoj under the scheme why Manoj? Your Lordships may what your Lordships just put to me form F, etc.
Yes.
That your Lordships may kindly have 44, section 44.
Yes.
There, Manoj, your Lordships will have contents of draft scheme. Kindly Manoj turn over the page, not very relevant. In H, your Lordships will find any other prescribed particulars. So Manoj, the entire contents of draft scheme.
Yes.
A was area, ownership, tenure, etc. And then any other prescribed particulars. And then 45 was for reconstitution of plots. In that context, if your Lordships have a look at the rules, the court is of course familiar. I'm just kindly have a look at the rules. In rule 21, at the draft scheme stage, so rule 21, the court kindly has.
Yes.
Other particulars of draft scheme under 44H. The draft scheme under 44 shall contain the following particulars in addition to the particulars specified in clause A to G of 44, namely so and so. And then kindly come down to 5. A redistribution and valuation statement in form F. So this shows the deduction and the computation.
Yes.
So this is the form F which I just read, the redistribution and valuation statement, was at the context of 44, the draft scheme. Then it gets finalized. Then Manoj 52, section 52, about the powers of the town planning officer, not going into it immediately, but Manoj, your Lordships, 52 contents of appointment is 50, and 52 is contents of preliminary and final scheme.
Yes.
There, Manoj, if your Lordships kindly come down to 52 at subsection 2.
But the petitioner is not aware whether the scheme has been prepared by the town planning officer and whether it has been submitted to the state government.
And Manoj, I am not aware. I have said I am not aware. I am only apprehensive that they have said 50 days it will be sanctioned.
Yes.
So Manoj, one is the apprehension on the objections is one thing. As Honorable Court has indicated, it is an apprehension. But Manoj, I also want to just indicate the procedure which doesn't appear to be followed, my lords, and is not likely to be followed in light of the statement that we are going to sanction the scheme. Can you see rule? So Manoj, in 52, the court
Let
has.
the notice go to the other side. Mr. Mihir Joshi, learned senior advocate, appearing with Mr. Saurabh Anil, learned advocate, for the petition submitted. While inviting the attention of this court to the notification dated 28th of September 2012. Not that, just don't submitted that. That in the year 2007, the petitioner, in lieu of the 30% of deduction, has paid betterment charges of ₹7,22,520 as determined by the appropriate authority. It is submitted that in the interregnum, there was In the interim, town planning scheme numbers 204 and others were merged to form one single town planning scheme. Subsequent thereof, the state government, has sanctioned draft town planning scheme on 28th of September 2012. It is submitted as per clause V, and clause V provides that in cases if the appropriate authority has earlier, with respect to deduction, as an option, recovered any amount as betterment charges and does not make deduction, then such cases should be considered as with any land, and final plot shall be allotted after deduction of area by 20%. It is further submitted that similarly, clause X provides that if for representation received or any other representation made by any owner of his land, with respect to allotment of final plot or deduction in original land, the same be considered on merits and decision be taken in sync with the policies of the appropriate authority or making a draft scheme. It is submitted that several representations were made by the petitioner indicating the fact about payment of betterment charges and requesting not to effect further deduction. It is submitted that on the basis of the newspaper report, it is likely that the state government is to sanction the preliminary scheme. It is submitted that the town planning officer was obliged to follow the procedure as provided under the act. However, the petitioner has not been informed about. The petitioner has neither been issued any notice nor informed about the redistribution of the plot.
Decision. No notice regarding hearing of the objection. Redistribution may not be.
No notice, because redistribution form you have produced on the record. So
Yes, but that is to
No
indicate that
notice.
how I am hit both ways, 30
no
plus 20.
notice as regards the
Objections. exactly.
objections by the petitioner.
I wanted to point out one, if your lordships have
Yes.
my contention. I just wanted to point out was why, if your lordships may just have a look at rule 26. Why I'm saying now that your lordships may kindly restrain any further proceedings
Yes.
for sanction, etc. If your
As of now,
lordship,
there is nothing against you, Mr.
I
Judge.
just want to, but once it is sanctioned,
Yes.
then it becomes part of the act.
Even
then-
otherwise, there is a deduction. Some percentage of deduction has been effected from your plot. 72/4/1.
Exactly.
And
But,
betterment charges you have already paid.
but deduction and betterment would be finalized. So betterment would be ignored
Yes.
and deduction would be finalized. So my
Yes.
plot, your lordships have seen the deduction. Your lordships may have 33.
That would be to an extent of how much percentage?
21 or it is Manoj, your lordships may have 33. My plot is just next to the tick. I don't know why. There are 2 or 3 petitions, Manoj, therefore it must be in one other. Just where your lordships find the tick mark on 33.
33.
33, Manoj, it looks like this. Sorry to point out like this.
Yes, there is a part plan.
Yes, just next to the tick mark. This must be part of some other petition which is also filed.
724.
472, and this portion 288 is the one which is deducted.
Yes.
So this will be finalized. And now the law says under 67 that it becomes part of the act. I just wanted to point out one why your lordships may kindly consider not that the sanction may not be granted is, please see 26, rule 26. Rule 26
Yes.
of these.
Yes.
Kindly see the heading, procedure to be followed by the town planning officer under 51 and 52. So these are the stage of objections. Now all this is done, etc. Notice given, all that is fine. Now on the question of decision, your lordships may find at clause 6.
Yes.
4 is the representation. The town planning officer shall give, sorry, must kindly come to 4.
Yes.
The town planning officer shall give every person interested in any land affected by any particular of the scheme sufficient opportunity of stating their views and shall not give a decision till he has duly considered the representation. So he shall not give any decision. He shall not give any decision. Kindly mark it now. How the authorities seem to operate up till now is that he takes a decision on file and forwards it to the government. But can you see the provisions? He shall not give any decision, not take any decision. Give means give to the objector is my interpretation. I'll make it good a bit later. Shall not give any decision, not take, till he has duly considered my representation.
Yes.
Kindly skip 5, kindly come to 6. The TPO shall record, the town planning officer shall record and enter in the scheme every decision taken by him. So if it is 724 by 1 by 2, whatever my land is,
Yes.
he will take a decision. This is my interpretation. Take a decision and be set out and recorded in the form F, final, which he will give. Then, Manoj, kindly 6 and 7 and 8 may be skipped. Please see 9.
Yes.
The town planning officer shall publish the scheme drawn up by him by notification in the official gazette in form 1 and by means of an advertisement in one or more local newspapers, announcing that the scheme shall be kept open for inspection of the public during office hours at his office, and communicate forthwith the decision taken by him in respect of each plot to the owner or persons interested by the issue of the requisite extract from the scheme in J&K, and then inform the state government. But this last line is final scheme. But preliminary scheme, he will have to take and communicate a decision.
Yes.
That stage is still left. He can't simply give it to the state government.
So according to you, that stage has not been informed.
And he is not likely to
aware.
follow. The apprehension is that as per procedure and the statement, it is going to go to the
Notice or in the notice must have been affixed in the note.
public
The
notice
office-
is given, which is why I gave the.
Yes, but
And-
it might happen that the town planning officer must have followed the 9 notice, or in the notice must have been affixed in the note.
Public
The
notice
office-
is given, which is why I gave the representation.
Yes.
Now the rules contemplate that he will have to take a decision on my representation. Ordinarily, the authority follows that decision is taken on file and sent for sanction.
Yes.
But the rules don't stipulate that. The rules say that you will have to give your decision on the objections, incorporate in the scheme
Yes.
before sanction stage,
Yes.
incorporate in the scheme with your decision, communicate to the objector, and then the state government will consider it for the purpose of sanction.
Yes.
So that takes care of communication, because the publication under 26(9) of 50 is quite different from the publication for 65, which is the final scheme, that your lordships will also find. Rule 31. So the note under 65. So this is fine. Just kindly come back to 65. No, your lordships will find. So there is 2-stage publication,
Yes.
which this our apprehension, it hurdles over it. That one, you have to hear us, that is our interpretation, or take a decision, communicate to us, publish it, that this is the decision we have taken. You have to say, or it's taken, information is available, and send it to the government for sanction. Here, Mas, we are apprehensive that it will bypass the whole procedure and the government will straight away go for sanction, in which case, Manoj, under 67,
Yes, then nothing would be left for you to raise. The
nothing will
cases.
be left. So I'm saying that they may not, either
But
Mas
this
or time
F
planning
form
officer
must
may
have
not
been-
forward.
F form, along with this F form, some decision must have been communicated to you.
That is at the 44, Manoj, that is at the stage of draft scheme.
Drafts.
Draft scheme.
Thereafter, nothing
On that
happened.
we have raised our objections. On that we have raised our objections.
So after this, no steps have been taken.
No
or
steps
No
have-
decision has been taken.
No decision has been taken
Straight
pursuant to
away
my
the-
objections.
Straight away the.
Under 52, and straight away the apprehension is, they have said we are going to sanction in 50 days. But then what happens to the decision, communication
Where
to?
is that details which you have provided, that the state government is going?
We
to
have,
sanction
Manoj,
it within
we
the
have only said it at page 8 and 9.
page. No
We have
document to
ever it.
support
No,
of
we have
that.
the newspaper reports, etc. Page 8 I have ever
So
on
Mr.
affiliate.
Joshi will issue the notice, will give a short date.
All
Let them.
Would your lordships not observe that town planning officer, if he
There
has
is-
not
there is-
forwarded, he may not forward. If he has not
Then
forward.
again, it will be perhaps, the scheme must be on a larger spectrum. So
Yes,
there
Manoj,
are-
we have got 3 or 4 petitions
Yes.
which are in the process.
So we'll just make it returnable.
Very well,
maybe
very
next week or week
Very
thereafter. This 50 days news article was published when?
29th June 2021.
29.
So it's quite
If they
some.
say 50 days, then it has to be 100 days.
No doubt. As short a notice, I am grateful. As quickly as your lordships.
Mr. नीचे show के लिए तो last was obliged to follow the procedure as provided under Rule 26 and more particularly, Rule Sub-Rule 4. However, no decision has been communicated to the petition. First, it is urged that while raising the consent, it is submitted that the state government, is likely to sanction the scheme within a period of 50 days, which decision, was declared in the month of June 2020.
I wrote it at page 8 and 9,
Page 18. Which is upon having
paragraph
regard-
15 and 17. At page 9, it carries over, no? The third line. Personal, no change, and 16 and 17. 16 has now appointed new person, and 17 press release has declared the scheme will be finalized is para 17 specific.
Page 17.
Yes, exactly is para 17 on the appeal.
Which is upon having regard to the submissions that the Rani Singh had issued notice returning along. 1st September.
As early as the Lordship's fine.
1st September. Direct services permitted.
Deeply obliged.
Summary, Mr. Vishal C. Mehta.
Page 66.